grilled smoked pork chops with sweet and sour glaze. I encourage you to become best friends with your butcher because every once in a while I'll hear of a protein and never see the protein at my butcher, and I'll get my my nerves up and I'll say, hey, what's up? What's up? Do you have these smoked chops? Can we get these? Next thing you know, a couple of other people just like me ask about it. I call it the Foodification of America. When we go in, we ask for things to be stocked, and the next thing you know, they are stocked. So it's definitely the chop you want to go for if you're doing something really simple. I'll show them to you. Here they are. They're cured. They're smoked. They've got a nice salty flavor. You can eat them just like this, but I say what you like to do is do a quick little marinade just to add some flavor, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. So into my marinade here, I've got some honey, and to that I wanna add a little bit of lime juice. Look at that, good to go. I don't get in with all the crazy mechanics of rolling and microwaving. I just give it a nice good squeeze and see what I can get. A little bit of lime juice there. Now to that, I like to add a little bit of heat. We definitely have the sweet with our honey, a little zip from our lime, a little heat from our red pepper flake here, and a little bit more help in the sweet area. And I like to get in a little bit of brown sugar. There we go. Good to go. All right, a little bit of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil as well. I'm just gonna grill these really fast, and once again, like I said, they're cooked. So we're not doing it to cook them, we're really just doing it to get some color, some curb appeal for your chops. Mix it up in there. That's not too bad. Maybe a little bit more liquid. And then I'm just gonna get the chops right in. Now, like I said, 'cause they're cooked, don't have to worry about marinating these really long. It's all about the flavor on the outside. Plus, you can get your hands right into the action. Right in there and into my bowl. I say a plastic bag works way better than marinating in something flat because you can kind of give them a toss and move them around. Make sure everything gets to touch that sweet, sour, and spicy marinade for our smoked chops here. That's what you want to say to your butcher. Say they're cured, they're smoked, they've got the bone in, they're from the loin cuts. They look just like a pork chop. That's all you want to say, and send him on his way. Or her. All right, so there we go. I'm just gonna let this sit and hang out on the back counter here. What I wanna do now is get my grill ready for my smoked pork chops there. Just gonna go ahead and get some oil down on my grill, get it nice and primed and good to go. This smells so good. My fennel, my snap peas going down. I cannot wait to eat this meal, and I gotta tell you, like I'm saying, it's really, really simple. If you can't find these smoked chops, I say it's okay to use just regular pork chops that you would get. But you've really gotta ask your butcher to look out for these pork chops here. They're cured, they're smoked, they're already cooked, but once I put that nice, yummy marinade on it, the glaze is gonna be nice and caramelized. I'm just gonna get these on my grill. What I like to do is get some really pretty grill marks in them, so just let them sit and then give them a little clockwise or counterclockwise turn. See if I can fit all my 8 babies on. Now that's another thing I really like about this meal is everything's kind of like cut down to size. We've got the little tiny popovers so you can eat like 8 or 9 of them and not feel bad. And then you can get 2 pork chops for this dinner, you know, which is pretty cool. Feel like you're getting a lot for nothing. There we go. 8 of my chops down. Now, the cool thing about the marinade, because these are cured and smoked, just leave them on for a few minutes. The sugar's like in the honey. Gonna make those grill marks for you happen. Push that on. It's slim pickings over here for grill space, huh? Get that. Give that a nice little turn. You know, you're just gonna have to trust that the action is going down under the chops, but trust me, when you give them a flip, that's a fire. You will definitely see some beautiful crosshair action. Move this down. Move that over. This is definitely one of those meals where someone's got to stand next to your fire alarm and give it a nice fan with a towel. Or you just do this outdoors, huh? All right, just go ahead and get in the nice little crosshair action here. All right, so I like this chop here. That's mine. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to eat. And this chop here, now remember, I started with smoked chops. Let me tell you, super simple when you go to the grocery store and you just pick up some things you've already had some fun and success with in the kitchen. That sweet and sour glaze, just honey, brown sugar, red pepper flakes, a little bit of lime juice. So good.